guys, welcome back to the vlog. Come here, Melanie. How is everybody? So if you watched yesterday's vlog, you would have seen that me and Stephanie went over to the shop. When we were over, I got Melanie this. I wanted to wait till she was in the house to give it to her. I didn't want to give it to her at night time. No. Look. Oh. Come on. Come on, we open it. Come. Look. Oh, look. Nice. You think Mommy was taking it away? There now. Go, you pig. Wow. Where's the sheep go?
Timber. No.
Why you not want to do it first?
Pig.
Get the hell.
Pig.
Where's the pig? Go. The pig goes on here. The pig. Come here, pig. Wow!
Pig. Look.
Where's the pig?
Pig.
Yeah, a pig.
Pig. See? Look.
Try to bubble them.
Pig.
Ow.
See? Go. See? Go.
How do you know?
Go. See? A ball. Look. Go up. Go.
Let's just whack this again. Let's just whack.
How hard is it?
One.
Go pick my board. I'll do it. Wait, baby. I know. Yeah!
Oh.
Oh,
Wow.
no. Who's in there?
Woo. Hi, Jesus.
Wow!
Then cook.
Cluck, cluck, cluck.
Then duck. Quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
See a ball.
Ba.
Ball.
Ba.
Ball.
Yeah.
Ball.
Yeah.
Pig.
Pig.
Pig cows.
That's a. No, that's a.
Ding.
That is a cow.
Horse.
Horse.
Neigh.
Nay.
Sheep. Ball.
That's a goat.
Good.
Meh.
Ma.
Meh.
Ba.
Meh.
Neigh.
Nay. Moo.
Cook.
Cluck, 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 cluck.
Oink.
Oh, oh, oh. Good morning, Zero. How are you? So she's just over there playing with the wee animals. It's from the board thing. Seems to be enjoying herself, aren't you, Meow? Aye. Staying home with mummy today. So I'm actually so happy that Melanie's not going to childminders today. Her childminder is off her holiday. I think it's to do with St. Patrick's Day. But nevertheless, I'm so happy because I'm off today, and such a coincidence it seemed to work out that we're off together. So it's going to be a very nice day. I'm going to ask Stephanie if she's up for a walk if the weather stays normal. The skies do look a bit grey now, I must say. But it didn't seem to be raining or anything. Because me and her's trying to get fit for the wedding. I'm going to Greece in July. So I'm looking to get fit because I have that wedding in Greece and then I have Stephanie's wedding in August. So I want to be looking good. I want to be beach ready, as they say. Because normally I don't really care about stuff like that, but like when you're going on holiday, you want to be looking well. Well, I want to be looking well. So I'm trying my best to do exercise and not indulge on as much crap. Usually I'm like the snack queen. Everywhere I go, I have snacks. And it's terrible, like if you think about it. It is, because it's well fattening, and I know for a fact if I didn't eat the snacks that I would end up losing weight, so that's what I'm going to do. Usually in the mornings, this is like an example, usually in the mornings I would have 4 rounds of gluten-free bread, and then I would butter them with the olive oil or the sunflower spread that we use, and then I will put vegan cheese in it. Then I will put a full tomato, and so half on one, half on the other. I will put hummus in it. And that probably sounds healthy to some people. But see, if you're having it every day, trust that it's going to pack a pounds on. And I was having it every day. So I'm kind of stopping myself and having like, if I am going to have the sandwich, I'm going to just have one sandwich, like 2 rounds of bread instead of 4, because that was just being a greedy guts. So I have 1 round of bread, the butter spread that we use, vegan cheese, tomato, and just a wee tiny bit of hummus, because usually I would have packed it on now, and hummus is quite fattening. And then what else could I give you an example for? Oh, I'm like alternate days. Like one day I would have my sandwich, so I feel normal, if you know what I mean. I don't feel like I'm restricting myself. And then the day, like the alternate day, I would have a fruit smoothie. So I don't know. It seems to be working because the pounds are coming off. I'm not really focusing on the number on the scale, but I have been standing on it and noticing, and I'm not really getting myself down if it stays the same or anything. But I have noticed the number coming down a bit, so go Jess, Team Jess. If you have any like recipe ideas, see, I kind of do know a lot anyway. I done Slummin' World, but that completely doesn't work for me now since I'm vegan. Nothing really, because it's all like milk based. It's all got gluten in it. Like obviously you can change it to gluten free, and then you could substitute like the cheeses for vegan cheese, but see, even then, like I don't think I would lose as much weight doing that than just doing my own wee dinners. Like the odd night I would treat myself and have like vegetable patty burgers and chips. Like what we have last night, we had chips, peas and vegan sausages. And like I really enjoyed it. But I know that that's not what I should be eating all the time. But just give me some meal ideas. I probably do them already, but just throw them my way anyway. What is the crack? Right, this happens nearly every day. I'd say every 2 days. but I always forget to show you, so I'm going to show you today. We have this dehumidifier here, and as you can see the light is red on it, and that's basically saying that it's filled to the max with water. If you don't know what a dehumidifier is, it is like a machine that sucks in the air and takes out all the moisture, so you end up getting a big thing of water in it. So when it's red, it means it needs emptied. So I'm just going to pull this out here so you can see what I mean. And we're going to empty it. And I'm just trying to show you this so you can see how wet. That doesn't make sense. That's rotten. What's the correct word? So you can see how damp our walls get. I think that's a better explanation for it. But the walls are like getting wet. Like they are getting wet. But with that machine on, they're staying dry. So that's good. I'll try and zoom in so you can see the water level. I'm just gonna take it out so you can see. Like, how mad is that? That's crazy. I'm gonna go empty this bad boy now because we need to keep it running throughout the day, and if it's red it means it's full and needs emptied, so I'm gonna go do that now. So that's it emptied now. I'm just gonna slot it back in. Hard to do it with one hand. There we go. And we're back on, we're green. We're green! You can probably hear the noise of it. Hello, hello, hello! So I'm just eating my dinner here. And Manny's home. He got a new phone, what do you see? Sorry, I keep going out of focus. So I'm just after dinner. I am stuffed. I had a few chips with red sauce and patty burgers. Vegetable patty burgers. And I put way too much vinegar on the thing. You can tell by my lips. That always happens when I eat salt and vinegar crisps. So. But yeah, as you can see, I'm having like the biggest lazy day ever, and it's great. I'm loving it. I just want to lie and watch RuPaul's Drag Race all night. Get to bed early. Do you ever just have them days where you just can't be bothered to do anything, and then like nearly everything around you annoys you? Well, that's the kind of day I'm having. The only thing that's keeping me happy is Melanie coming in, giving me hugs and saying, "Am I okay, mama?" and lying down beside me and all. But she's out eating her dinner now and watching RuPaul at the minute. It's the only things keeping me amused and happy at this moment in time. But yeah, I'll chat to you soon. After I watch another couple of episodes, I'm going to edit another video and get it uploaded for you guys. I'm kind of getting there now, catching up. Because when I was doing my assignment, I got behind a bit on the vlogs. But I'm sort of catching up now. So, hopefully I can keep it up and keep you updated with this. I think I'm like 3 or 4 behind, so I'm going to try and get it at least 2 behind. So, because it's annoying then, like, because then if I miss a day, then you're so far behind, you know, at the minute. So I can't even afford to miss a day now at the minute. I'm uploading like 3 a day. So I promise to catch up, and I promise to do more makeup types of videos, because I know you like them. And when my hair needs done again, I'll do that. I'll record that as well. But yeah, let me know if you would like to see like skincare, like what I'm doing at the minute, because my skin has done like a 360 turn. Apart from that wee spot there, but like, if you look like 2 weeks ago at the vlogs, you would see my face was a mess. Like the title is probably saying, "Will this clear my skin?" and all that crack. So look down and see, my skin was so bad. So if you're looking to know like my skincare routine, let me know. And if you want me to do more get readies, because I like doing them, they're nice and quick. Or if you would like to see actual makeup looks, like going step by step through things, let me know also. But yeah, I'm just gonna relax now and chill. I think I deserve it. So I was sitting watching RuPaul's Drag Race there for ages, and Melanie came in and fell asleep beside me. It was really, really cute. But I'm just gonna make myself some tea now and then get to bed. I'll probably watch one more episode because I'm like extremely addicted. Like really addicted, not even gonna lie or not even gonna joke. It's so good. I'm on season 5 now. Loving it. Loving it. I'm trying to think what I'm gonna have for supper. I am hungry, like I might have toast or something. But I'm trying to be good because I had chips today. We'll see anyway, but I'm going to end the vlog, guys. So thank you so much for watching today. If you enjoyed it, give us a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought of today's vlog. And most importantly, smash the subscribe button for free. Remember to hit the bell. You get a notification every time we upload, and that is every day. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.